Does this recording? You see it?
Yeah, it's recording.
All right. Mm.
We don't have to do this first one, I don't think.
Almond?
So wait, it says add your answer to a file, which you can name as Q1 underscore answer. So like a Google Docs, I guess, it wants. Save
Uh,
as PDF.
I think.
It just says supposed to do it in like a sentence or two. So let's do this first one. Oh wait, all of this is one.
Yeah.
So
You go up a little bit.
oh yeah, sorry.
There. Yeah.
Am I good to go to the doc?
Yeah.
You're just doing as many A's at first, then B's, and then C's, right? I think.
Yeah, that seems right. An n number of A's and then an n number of B's and then an n number of C's. We can use this kind of grammar defines a language consisting of strings in A's, followed by
And N is going to be greater than 1, right? What is going to be greater than or equal to 1, right?
yeah, it's in this one. Well, this one it seems like it would always have at least one A, and it did where n is greater than or equal to 0.
Okay, yeah, we can just do greater than or equal to then.
Do you want to do 0? Followed by n B's, followed by n C's.
Do we reuse N across them all? Or that different variable?
Hmm?
Uh,
Oh yeah, we
are we
probably should do n for each one.
okay?
Because this one. Followed by, what do you want to use? M or O? I don't know. It's gonna do like IJK or something.
Okay.
You can make it greater than or equal to 1 if you want, since there has to be at least one. Uh,
Either one's fine.
hmm?
I think either the 0 or 1 is fine, but we should probably just get this done and like move on because I don't know. I think the other questions are gonna be harder.
Yeah, like this isn't a
Do
big.
wait, do we also have to give examples or what did the question say?
Says describe the language in a sentence or two.
It
Uh,
didn't say any examples. Just it says describe it.
Okay.
Yeah, it just says like example,
Yeah.
this, answer, do this.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
But why are you using? Is IJK? Is that just like placeholders?
Yeah, because like he used N, but we can't use N for all three.
Mm-hmm.
So I just used 3 different letters for each one.
I mean, that yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
That good?
Could be.
I'm gonna save it as a PDF. Is that fine?
Should be fine. Yeah.
Okay, this is add your answer to a file, which you can name as Q1 underscore answer. Should I compress it to a zip file or just insert the PDF?
Uh, I think it should insert as a PDF, right? Because we only did the zip file when we had more than one file.
Yeah. So this is what they'll be able to view.
Yep, that's all. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, is ambiguous or not.
Notes. Yeah.
I don't think it is. Can I explain my reasoning why I don't think it's ambiguous?
Yeah.
So when you start with S, you can either choose A or B. And if you choose A, it pretty much just makes a string of n number of A's followed by n number of B's. It'll be like A, B, 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 B. But if you choose B for S, it'll alternate between A and B. It'll go A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B until it ends. So you can't make the same string in like two different ways, like a left one or a right one.
Wouldn't that make it ambiguous? If there's no like obvious choice between them.
No, ambiguous means like you can make the same like equation go using two different like parse trees. Like if you use like the left-handed approach versus like the right-handed one, the trees will look different. But in this way, there's only one way to make certain like strings. There's not two different ways to make them.
Interesting.
Because like if you want to make the string with as many A's followed by as many B's, you'd use A, and that's the only way you can make it. And if you're trying to do A, B, A, B, A, B, you'd use B, and that'd be the only way you can make that. So I don't think it's ambiguous.
Yeah, that makes sense. Do we need to prove it like through like
It just says check, so I mean, I can explain.
when it says check doesn't mean like we need to show it through the J flap.
I don't know. Let me look at the other questions and see what they say.
But that one definitely needs it.
No, because derivation is where you it's like the equations where you just replace them using this grammar. So show your answer in J flap. So this
I
one
lied, I
specifies,
lied. Number 2 and 3, you definitely don't need it. I think 4
yeah,
and 5 you do, yeah.
yeah, this one specifies J flap.
Actually just 4. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, my bad.
This one says show that it's
How are we supposed to do four if we can't see the image? Oh wait, no, it tells you how to do it. Okay, never mind. Wait, that's weird. It doesn't.
No, it says finish the DFSM below, but I can't click on it. I can't access it. I don't know. We'll worry about that later. It says check. I don't know how to check. Can I explain it into like words? Can I just like type it out?
I guess you could say like they kind of have to be like derived from A or B, right? So does that make them
Yeah,
like
like I can explain it in words. Like I could type out why it's not ambiguous.
yeah, I think you're supposed to. I mean, just to be safe, we get like a one sentence explanation, I think.
Wait, if you do A and B, you can both end up with AB, right?
But the thing is, like S, you can't choose both A and B. It says A or B. So like you can only choose
Yes.
one. No.
So if you choose A, right, then you can choose the second one, which is AB, and then if you choose B, you can choose the AB and the big B, and then you can just choose a null for that. So
Yeah.
What?
if you choose B, right, like for S, then you
Yeah,
have A, B, and then the big B, right?
it
And then you
calls B
can
again. Yeah.
yeah, and then you can just do null for that.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So, but if you choose A, you can do A, B. So you can make the string A, B using two different ways.
Yeah.
So it is ambiguous. So I should say that the given grammar is ambiguous for the string A, B because you can build it using A or B.
Yeah, that's probably easier than explaining why like it's not or something.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Do I have to show? I mean, it doesn't say to show it. Like,
Yeah.
what does it say for question 5? See, this one says show that it's ambiguous. So I feel like you could show that using the J flap, but this one says check. So should I do it in J flap or not? Or
Number 2, I don't think you need to. Well, actually, It says check. That's the thing.
I feel like I can explain it in words and then also do it in J flap. I can just do both.
I guess that what he's kind of asking for is kind of like I don't know.
Should I do it in J flap or just in words?
I guess okay. For now, I guess we can do it in words and move on, and then go back to it later maybe. Because I
So
generally
should I
don't.
just type it out?
Yeah, for now.
What do you call like the capital A and capital B? What are those like?
What do you call the what? The capital A, capital B.
Yeah.
I'm at the notes right now. Let me check.
I mean, is that good for now? And then I can come back and do it in J flap if we want.
Yeah, that was good.
Okay. Well, motivation. We're gonna start with should I do like steps like where I have like one, two, and then go down?
Yeah,
So it'd be like the sign would be not one, and then sign would go to var equals 3. You're gonna replace variable, which will be a. So a is equal to, and then to build this, we're gonna replace expression with factor times expression. Yeah. Factor we don't want to do. We want to do STM and STM. Keep putting T in there. What am I doing? I'm doing this right. This seems right, right?
I think so. I can check with the notes.
Um, plus plus bar times two plus plus, and then variable just go to B. Oh wait, I did it wrong. Here, wait. STMT should go to whole thing should be in parentheses.
Yeah, so I think you have to go to like so for expression you have to go to like the factor and then
Factor
factor goes to div goes to
div goes to
statement.
STMT. Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right. A is equal to factor. Change all the numbers after. It's fine. Factors goes to div. Div goes to STMT. CMT goes to the parentheses with the expression. Pick up kind of where we left off. Expression will go to factor times. So got it. Oh, these around all this. Oh, sorry, it's gonna take a minute to do this problem.
You're good.
Wait, so expression would go to we need the next one in parentheses, so we kind of copy this part again. Expression will go to factor. C will go to parentheses.
Yeah. Yeah.
Expression will go to fact. Factor will go to division divided by. And then div would go to stmt.
Mm, mm. Yeah. Yeah.
And then we can't replace this yet, so we have to do leftmost. If y'all see anything I'm doing wrong with this, let me know. Tell me.
Yeah.
And then ST. And then variable will go to T. Divided by.
Mm.
Factor would go to kind of the same old div. Div would go to
Mm. Okay.
take a look at it.
Wait, can you say the top of the question as well? Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
No, you're good. All right, thank you.
Expression is a factor.
That's the question.
It's not a question, yeah. Oh wait, I think I did it wrong up here. So I went factor and then immediately went from factor to STMT. I can't do that. And I'm just gonna take out all the numbers.
All right.
Sorry.
No,
Shouldn't have done numbers.
you're good.
I think we're making good time though.
Yeah. There's a lot of steps.
And you think it's fine just doing this in the text box? So factor would have to go to div. Into the variable. Expression would go to factor. I think that's right for the leftmost. Then we gotta do the rightmost one.
Oh, we have to do it rightmost also.
Huh?
No, I didn't realize we had to do it rightmost also.
Yeah, it takes a minute. So we start with
Wait,
assign.
Colin,
Yeah,
I'm so sorry, but it's the same thing as last time, the 40-minute thing. I don't know why. It just suddenly appeared again.
it's fine. You can just
No, no,
switch
he
them
he,
like
he
we did
didn't count any
last
points left
time.
last time. I can just connect it like last time.
Yeah, you can just stitch them and then put it in the
Yeah.
survey.
I don't know why it's like that. I don't. My bad.
It's fine. Assign, and then we'll go to expression, and then this time we got to replace expression first. Expression will go to
Yeah.
so expression will go to factor, div, stmt, and then to the parentheses again, probably. I'm just gonna copy this. Three times expression, I think. Then we gotta do right noise. So expression will go to, I gotta go through the whole thing again. Gosh. This is so tedious.
Yeah.
Vector,
We don't have to do this during our test. But we're probably gonna have to.
div, to parentheses. Okay. And then now we got to do the division part of it. Two factor. 2. Oh wait, no, I did that wrong. Factor can go straight to the division. Div divided by factor. And then still doing the right hand, so div divided by factor will go to div by STNC. And then STNC will go to variable. And then variable will go to E. Div will go to
Mhm.
STNC
Yeah.
divided by E. And then STNC will go to variable. And variable will go to C. E. And then now we can start working on factor.
Yeah.
Factor will go to div div will go to STNC. STNC will go to plus plus variable. And then variable will go to B. And then variable will go to A. Is that right?
I think so. Because you go up, I was like say more for steps in the beginning.
Yeah. Here, I'll start from the beginning so we can expression factor div. So expression factor div STNC, put in parentheses. Expression will go to that. Expression factor div STNC, put in parentheses again. Expression factor will go to div divided by factor. And factor div STNC variable E. And then div will go to STNC variable C. And then factor will go div
That looks
STNC
right. That looks right.
plus plus variable plus plus B. So I think that's for the correct for the rightmost one.
That looks
And for
good.
the left. Okay. Next question.
Do you want me to end this meeting before we start next question? Just don't do any coding, but in between.
Okay, so
I'm
you
gonna end
want
it. I'm gonna end it and start back.
okay.
All right.
Okay, yeah.
Scale.
Yeah, it's recording.
Screen share. Well, I guess we can't do anything till it gets in. Yeah, I definitely want to go back and show this on a JFlap because you can save JFlap as an image, and I'll just put the image on there.
Yeah.
See. Okay, next question. I don't think we can do this one. So we can't see the.
I think we can just do it from scratch, and then if it's wrong, we can just tell him that we didn't have the foundation or something.
I mean, we if you don't want to do that last then. You just want to skip
Okay,
it.
yeah, we can do that last.
Okay. Grammar is ambiguous. Do you just want to do like use JFlap and show the leftmost parse tree and the rightmost parse tree and show that they're different?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. What string do you want to use? Let's see, we can do D, C. I don't know. Oh wait, because you can only do the only thing you can form is
Well, we
DCD.
need at least
That's
like
all.
two C's, right, or something like that. Uh,
I'd say using that grammar, you can only form DCD, but you have to show it in two different ways. Okay. Just gonna say and I'll insert whatever we say. So I'm gonna make that this over. So you want to set it to S, or do we do it? Do we have to do it in the carets? We'll go to S, C, and S. C, S. From S, it'll go to D. Does this look good? Am I doing this right? C down or leave the C where it is? I just realized that using the parse trees, it'll probably look the same both ways, won't it?
I think we need to like for one of the S's do like another SCS because then there will be like
Oh, I see what you're saying.
DCDCD or something like that.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. So then do you want to do like DDCDD for
I
this
think
room?
they have to alternate, right? Like 'cause if we replace one, it's like SC. Oh wait,
Oh yeah, so it'll be like
wait
DC.
no, wait fuck. Uh, it, it's gonna be like so if you do it on the left, it's SCSCS, right? I think so.
CS, and then S can go to another SCS.
So okay, that means they're going
So we
to
can do
alternate.
like DC, DCD, I
Yeah,
think.
that probably works.
Yeah. I still don't know how to get rid of this though. Lead's not working. Space. There it goes. So for we're doing the leftmost, S needs to go to another SCS. I just need to like shift all this over. I'm just gonna put it like over here. S will go to another SCS. S will go to a D.
Guys,
Mm,
But
uh, the first Zoom meeting didn't save.
uh,
wait, are you sure?
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to contact the Zoom support thing. See if I can get it.
oh God.
Yeah. I thought I ended it before I left, but apparently I clicked out first. But I didn't
Oh,
think
you ended the meeting without
we're
stopping the
stopping, but I didn't think that would
recording.
matter. I thought it would automatically just stop the recording.
Nothing we can do about it now, right now.
Yeah.
So
I'm trying to contact Zoom support, see if that changed anything.
Okay.
you can do that after the meeting.
You think he's
Okay.
gonna give us a 0 for that?
I mean,
I can try talking to
maybe.
him. I'll just try to convince him it was my fault and everything. But I'll just try to talk.
It, it's fine because a few of the labs are dropped anyways, right?
Yeah, I think like I'm not sure how many total labs we do,
Three,
but
three are
he can
dropped.
only
Three are dropped.
he only takes
Like,
the best 10.
I
that
asked
doesn't.
earlier. They said 13, so that means three will be dropped.
Oh, that then it's fine. I mean, this is
Yeah, I know.
that.
It's
I know.
just
This
so.
probably wasn't one of the harder ones, but oh well, whatever.
I'll try to get it back.
I mean, you can probably Google it right now,
I'm
and
doing that right now. Yeah.
it'll probably tell you what happens if you end the meeting without stopping the recording.
Yeah.
How do you connect them? Here, I know he has in Canvas, he has a video about how to do it. Sorry, I'm doing this.
Yeah, it's fine.
King's Lab is such an incredible, powerful.
Oh, you just drag, okay. That makes sense. I still don't know how to get rid of them. Oh, wait. Problem was this problem 5. No, just save them. Save them. Oops. What happens if I just like screen capture it instead? Y'all okay with that?
Yeah, it should be. Yeah, it should be good.
What's the shortcut for screen capture again on Windows? Y'all know?
I don't think so.
It's okay.
Mhm.
Good. And then now he's gonna so we're gonna have S, it's gonna go S, C, S, then it's gonna go S, C, S, D, D. What did you Google it?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Wait, it seemed to like there's one that was saved at 820. And it says I need double. It said double click to convert. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna try that. Oh, it was automatically
Yeah,
saved. What the?
Oh, that's great.
that's
Holy
good. That's good
shit!
news.
I think so. Let me check. Sorry. Yeah, y'all continue working. My bad. I'm gonna. Yeah, this. I'm so sorry. I'm not gonna lie.
No, it's fine.
Mhm. Mhm.
Good.
Mhm.
C, B, C, D, C, C.
Mhm.
I was gonna say, since the leftovers, most parse trees are different swing speed, the grand is in. I good?
Yeah. Can you explain the first one?
Huh?
Can you explain the first one? Sorry.
Which the first
Yeah, the first one, this one.
the first question?
Yeah, no, the first like question 5, part 1.
It
Yeah.
says it shows that the grammar is ambiguous. And a grammar is considered ambiguous if the leftmost parse tree and rightmost parse trees are different, which means like that the string can be built in two different ways.
Oh, okay.
So we showed that it was ambiguous by building the leftmost and rightmost ones. So
That makes sense.
since it can be built in different ways,
Mhm. That makes sense.
yeah.
Also, yeah. Also, can I see the time? I just want to make sure something. Hour 5 minutes. All right. Oh wait, that means we had 55 minutes. So that means we started at 8:20. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
All right, looks good. So we finished everything?
Um,
Oh no, we still need number 4.
we're definitely done with 3, and we're definitely done with 5.
Mm-hmm.
4,
Yeah.
we don't know if we can really do anything on. 2, we can go and do what we did for number 5 on
Mhm.
this one.
Yeah.
And then number 1, I think we're definitely done with.
Yeah. Can I see number 4 real quick?
Yeah, here, I was gonna take a look at it.
Is it because the picture isn't showing up? Hmm.
I think that's, I'm, so
Hmm.
I think we're done with question 1 also. So let's say to a file, which name,
Hmm. Hmm.
number 4.
Yeah. Maybe try. Wait, that won't work. What are we supposed to do with this?
Think we can just design one from scratch or try doing one. And wait, have y'all
Actually, I
taken
don't think we need a picture. Wait, no, we do because
I
I mean, I guess maybe
suppose
you could start with, I'm trying
start
to
with
think what it would
fi-
look like though.
are you not allowed to like refresh the page or anything like that?
I can try it.
But that,
Will
yeah.
it kick us out or something? Wait, did you do number two yet?
We haven't done
I
the
think we
J
should
flat
do
yet
number two first in case like if
Yeah.
we
to show the
refresh it
flat.
Yeah.
kicks us out.
Yeah.
The-
Yeah. Mhm.
One thing I think we could do.
Hmm.
Oh,
So we have S, A, and then A would just go to AB. Actually, just gonna build both. It's in the same one. Let's take two different screen captures, and then we have S. So how would it work with a parse tree with the little empty one?
the null.
Yeah. So it'd go SB, and then B would go to AB, B. I guess you would just go from that to just AB because it'd be empty.
Do we split each character like A like one branch going to A and another for B or something like for the AB or the so and then B can go to one branch goes to A, another goes to little b, the other goes to capital B.
So you start with S and then you go to either A or B. So you'd have like one going to
Hmm. And then
it.
A
And A, and
goes
then if
to
you say you're going A, you'd either for the next one either go to, let me see how we did it down here. Because this one didn't really, it did give us ors and it's either SCS or D and we'd go to one of them. Oh, I see what you're saying. It would go A, B, B.
Hmm.
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. You're right. My bad. S will go to A, and then A will go to A, and B. Or no, because this will just go to A, B. So this one. So, so A, B. Other one will go to A, B, B. This will go to A, B. This will go to B, B will go to A. Okay, I think I got it. S,
Mhm.
A, is that look good?
Should be good.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So it's, it's, it was blue. Yeah. Is that good?
Yeah.
That looks good. For number 4, what are we thinking?
You say you were building it from scratch, but I don't even know what like how to sort of start, like what it would look like.
Find all possible ways to reach 50-cent coins using US coins. So let me look at the notes.
What does a deterministic finite state machine even look like? Does it look anything like the parse trees we've been doing?
I think it might be similar.
Okay, I just checked the Zoom meeting, and it was the first one was recorded.
Yeah, that's good.
I guess it got saved in the local drive, even when I ended it. Also, this one ends in like 8 minutes, 9 minutes, so I'm just letting y'all know.
I mean, I guess let's just check over the other problems.
Yeah, I mean we can try to submit something for number 4, just we don't have anywhere to start. So
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm guessing it'll be too long without like the initial start.
Hmm.
So I can't
So,
like
oh, we don't
it.
have to use pennies. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
so do we
Could
just
you
have a
start
bunch
with
of
like
starting points? Like start with
Yeah.
order.
would you start with like 50 cents and then like branch it off into like two quarters and then you could branch off a quarter into the different coins?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we
You
try.
can't, 'cause you can't really branch it.
Uh-huh.
Well, I guess you could.
But are we supposed to branch down or up? That's what I was wondering.
I say we just like start with 50 cents and then just branch down. And then have like an extra node for each coin that says like the empty one, so you can just leave that coin as it is
Okay, yeah.
instead of splitting it. Wait, now would that work?
Yeah, I think it would work if we just did like a parse tree of the different ways to make 50 and then
What does this even look like? Am I allowed to look that up, or is that considered outside resource?
It's probably outside resource, but this guy really didn't leave us a lot of options. But still, I don't know.
I don't even know like what it's supposed to look
it's
like.
basically like you have a bunch of circles which are like the nodes and then you have like arrows pointing to like different states that they can go to.
Yeah, I've
So
seen
I
like
was
those finite state machines, but I don't even know how we do that with.
Mhm. Honestly, if we did a power string, just like reversed it and made it like go upwards, that probably could be uh I don't know.
I don't think we'll get. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's gonna get everyone credit for this question
I think
because
so too.
But either way, I mean, we can attempt it. It's just like I don't think it'll matter. But
Here, you just want to go over all of our other problems one more time before you spend more time on that.
yeah, let's do that. Also, if worst case scenario, if it's just like our thing that's like malfunctioning, we can just take a screenshot as proof that it just wasn't showing up.
Yeah, I think we should still try it though, like even if
Yeah, I think we should still try it, but we should take a screenshot showing that the picture didn't show up, so we have like a
yeah.
proof in case it's just our computers. I don't know. So just take a quick screenshot real quick, if possible. Yeah.
Should I show it like me dragging it, or
I mean, either way, just the fact that you have this shows that like there's no picture showing up. So just like take a screenshot of like number 4 entirely, so that we can show the professor that our stuff wasn't working. We'll still try it though. So just
I'll decide that at the end and be
yeah,
like, we couldn't see the
yeah. Just
picture.
email that to me then.
We could literally just start with 50 cents and then just branch off to each coin that it can go to.
Can we start off with 0 or do we start with 50?
Just to show all the different combinations. 50
The possibilities
cents.
we have are like just nickels, dimes, and quarters, right?
Yeah, so you do 50 cents and you do like 2 quarters, and each quarter would go to 2 dimes and a nickel, and then each dime would go to 2 nickels.
We try that, yeah.
So what I'm
How to
thinking,
create a DFSM though?
huh?
I'm not sure how we would create a DFSM.
Yeah, because like what we're
It's
making isn't
just a
really
bunch
an
of arrows.
FSM. So,
Whatever, we can try.
because my idea was do like 50 cents, 2 quarters, and then each quarter would go to 2 dimes and a nickel. So 2 dimes and a nickel. Each time, 2 nickels. Something like that. It's not a finite state machine though. I'd say we didn't even really cover finite state machines in the notes, or
Yeah, we didn't, but I think he
Yes.
wants. I guess he like since we had a picture, like we could just like deduce what we need to do. But that we don't. We literally can't do anything.
See the picture.
I'm not sure. Is there like a way you can figure out how to like?
You want to try refreshing the page like we said earlier?
We could. Is that gonna do anything?
I mean, if it locks my quiz, I think everything else is answered.
Yeah, it will save the stuff. It just might kick us out and not let us go back in.
In that case, should we check? Should we check everything else first before we do that?
I mean, I'm happy with the way we did number one because it said to save it to a file and submit it as a Q1 underscore so we got
Yeah,
PDF.
number one's right for sure.
Here, I just want to look at it one more time.
That's good.
To plug in my, oh, it says less than a minute left, so you can hold
Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop the recording this time.
it.
Yeah, I started recording.
Yep.
Hmm.
And did I do that right? A,
Number two.
I think so.
Yeah, I think number two is right. I think your number three is definitely right. It's just number five.
Mhm.
I want to check.
Yeah, okay.
You go to the rightmost.
I think they're all right.
Let most run as part trees for the string DC to show that the grammar is ambiguous.
And the rightmost should just be like a kind of like a reflection. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it should be good. I think. We can try refreshing it for number four.
Yeah, should I submit my JFlap files with any of this? Or
Uh,
just the images?
should you what? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Should I submit the JFlap files
I think
with
I think so. Like probably just in case the images don't show on their side.
okay. So do I have to here what I'll do is I'll make a zip file that has the JFlap file and screenshots
Okay.
All right.
for each for problem 2 and 5. Screenshots.
Mm.
I don't even know what lab this is now. Lab 5 and lab 6. Say lab 5. And then problem oh, why does it save as JFF instead of jar? Put it at the bottom. Oh, man. JFlop files and the screenshots. To problem 5. Problem 1, I don't think needs to be zipped. I think it's fine, just the PDF.
Yeah, that was fine.
Problem 3,
Yeah.
I think is fine. Unless I want to check it again.
I think
Nah,
it's
I think it looks good.
It's number 4. Do you want to try refreshing or?
Yeah, let's try refresher. Maybe not. I just don't think I don't think it's worth the risk.
I think we can just put something down and then we can just say that like
We couldn't see the
we can
image.
probably just argue that it's not like fair or something like that.
Yeah. Colin, if you want, just send him that picture after, or you can send it to me. I can send an email to him showing, telling him that.
Yeah, I'll also attach it in this, so we can just build
Oh yeah,
like
actually, yeah, just
this
put it here.
thing.
Yeah,
You just want to build this and then
yeah, let's just do that. Because technically, we don't even know what it is without the picture. So
just so we did something.
yeah.
I'm gonna copy this.
Yeah.
What is it trying to make? So do we do a tree of like all the path? Okay. Um,
Hmm?
how would we make it display all the possible uh ways to get to 50?
No, I don't even know what it's supposed to look like.
Mm. Yeah, whatever. Let's just put something down.
Yeah, I don't think it'll matter. Does the sin symbol go before or after? I think it's after.
Hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna do 2/4. Should I just do Q or should I do? This definitely isn't what we're supposed to do, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's connect all of them. that good?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's not what we're supposed to do, but I don't know what we're supposed to
yeah,
do. So
okay, yeah.
I mean, it's their fault for it's not their it's their fault for not putting pictures. So.
we did something, but like
Yeah.
I cannot open it, so I don't know what it's supposed to look like.
Mhm.
There's nothing you can do. Mhm.
Authors in the file, right?
Okay.
Oh wait,
I don't know. And then I'll just add the image of it.
Yeah. Explain it. Just explain it in the bottom or top.
uh,
Yeah, I'll explain it at the bottom.
Yeah. And I'll talk about it more in this in the post survey as well.
Screenshot or PNG the image.
Yeah. But maybe there's a way we're supposed to open that up in JFlat.
It's a PNG. It's not like a JFlat file.
I don't know.
Just it's an image.
Maybe copy paste that somewhere. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
I mean, I literally can't even like,
Oh, you literally can't do anything about that.
yeah,
Oh,
I can't select it or anything. It's just like a box.
that's great. It really.
It's gonna do with that. Is that good?
Yeah, it should be good. There's nothing we can do. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I think it's
I
honestly
I
just
mean I
gonna.
can check the notes again. It didn't really mention a
Yeah,
DFSM.
nowhere in the videos did he talk about DFSM,
Yeah.
DFSMs.
Yeah. Do you want me to message this mention this in the post survey as well?
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
All right. I think we're good then, right?
Yeah, I'll say I feel like he's just gonna like throw out this question and grade the other four.
I mean, for
So
the quiz, he did that for the quiz too. I'm pretty sure he gave everyone 100 for that.
yeah, so I mean, are we happy with the our answers for the other four?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Trusting that that's good. For the screen.
Yeah.
Say that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
And let's say the PDF is good. I think that's good.
Yeah.
Am I good to submit?
Yeah.
Yes.
Or should I check one last time? Should I put the text in here also? Nah, to just set some.
Yeah, that's your decision. Like, if
Just
we
said do
could
it
do
in
it if you
file,
want.
so submit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Good.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna start this recording right now then too.
Yeah.